Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can play with your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out the ebook, www.themanwhosetselfhimselfonfire.com. We also have a PayPal donation link in the description of the video. So today we're talking about sound. Now, this little baby right here, guys, can really change your production level. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and get into the workbench and unbox it. And I want to do you get one, but you get two. This is great, guys, if you're filming a short movie or if you're doing like a cooking show or anything you want to do. Take your YouTube production up, your church production up, anything you need. I'm so excited about this. Let's get into the workbench. Be right back with my final thoughts. Don't forget, not only do you get one, but you get two. Sound is very important. Be right back. Alright, so here we have it, the WM10. Now, the WM9 is only one transmitter. The WM10, which is the one that we have here, are the two transmitters. Let's talk about it for a little while. Open up the box, and then inside you're going to find a user manual. The user manual is very comprehensive. Make sure that you read every last word. This would help you with a lot of troubleshooting, guys, especially when you get into those different frequencies levels. Really going to help you pinpoint any clipping or any problems you have. Now, they include this little accessory box. So inside this box, you have all sort of goodies. Of course, you have your lavender mics. Both of them have two different types of wind muffs. You have this little wind muff right here, and you also have a dead cat. I'm going to show that a little later. I love that you get a XLR connector if you wanted to hook up like a prosumer mic to it. It's just another feature that they taking advantage of to make sure that your production look very professional. That's the dead cat I was telling you about. Now, this is your receiver, guys. You want to make sure that you get to know this. Consider this the brain of your kit. Everything as relates to sound and monitoring the sound will run through this receiver. Get to know it. I'm gonna run through a couple of things on it right quick so you guys can see. Basically, you have up and down and set. Now, what that allows you to do, it allows you to change a couple of things. Of course, you can change the mic level and you can change the level of the headphones. So you can select, or you can input some headphones and select the volume that you want it at. That's very, very important if you're trying to avoid clipping and different things like that. Now, you have mono or stereo, meaning stereo coming out of both earphones, or mono just one. And on the side, you have a spot for a micro USB charger where you can connect an external power bank. Now, that's good if you're on the set and you don't want to worry about the AA batteries, which again I neglected to tell you guys. If you're going to use AA batteries, use rechargeable ones. But you just go ahead and connect a power bank to that, and it will extend the life of your production. Now, as you can tell, the receiver is very solid. Everything good to go. A lot of features. Just remember, this is the brain. On the other hand, this is your transmitter. The transmitter is simple. You simply connect your lavender mic to line out, and you could adjust your channel. Simple as that. On the side, you have a low cut to keep down background noise, and you have a spot where you can insert your batteries in and out. Now, once you have everything together, this is how it's going to look, and this is how it's going to sound. Channel B, mic test 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Channel B, mic test 1 2 1 2 1 2. Channel A, mic test 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Pairing is simple. Just make sure that both transmitters are on the same channel and you're good to go. As you can tell by the sound, there's a little bit more tweaking I can do. It picks up a lot. That little piece you just into my hand, that is the piece that go to the receiver, and you put it on your shoe mount. But again, this is a great kit. It's going to take your professionalism on set to a whole nother level, and it's going to demand respect when people see that you're coming with great sound. Remember, you must have great sound. Now, I want to bring it outside and do a range test and go back to the bathroom for my final thought. Right here, I have the mic set up. I want to do a range test from here to that stop sign. It's about close to like 50 yards. Let's see if we can still keep our signal. All right, so I'm walking, and hopefully you guys still can hear me. I'm gonna try to continue to walk and talk, walk and talk, walk and talk. Been in a residential neighborhood. You can see how wires, electrical wires coming from the telephone poles, tons of Wi-Fi in this area, many things to kind of distort the signal. Now, one of the things I already know, I have to go into my camera and adjust the volume, so I might have some clicking or something like that. maybe a little hiss or something like that. But right out the box, without adjusting too much, guys, I just wanted you to see exactly what you can expect out of this wireless microphone. So I went to the stop sign and back, again, about 50 yards. I don't think anybody will really use a subject at that distance from the camera, but it's good if you have those capabilities. So if you were filming and you want to do like a revealing shot, and you had a subject like around the corner that was talking or something like that, it's good that you can have them hook up wirelessly and you still can hit them off camera. All right, guys, welcome back. So as you was able to see, that this device comes with a lot of features. You can do a lot. It's very versatile. And the main thing I wanted to show you guys was that range test. Now, obviously, again, in my opinion, you won't necessarily have a subject that far away from the camera, but to know that you have that option, you have that distance, is just a plus. So 5 stars out of 5. I love this device. It's very versatile. Like I say, I have to work with the volume levels, but once you adjust it to your independent device, I'm quite sure that it'll be all right. And I love how smooth and how rich the sound, and the versatility of it, once again, makes this one of my #1 choices, and the ability to use 2 receivers. Hey, it's your boy Taking the Bow. Thank you guys for coming to the channel and help me review yet another product. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. You guys in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.